we're hunting wombats. That's it. We turned up yesterday. We waited all day for the wombat to turn up from the Perth Mint. It never arrived, so I went out hunting it today. I still can't find it anywhere, but at least the dogs are getting a good walk. So the wombat was released from the Perth Mint yesterday. As seems to be standard, none of us have it in stock. It's a joint release between Perth Mint, ourselves, and one other company. The rest of them have all gone overseas, so it's a mintage of 25,000, I believe. 5,000 of which remained in Australia, some with Perth, some with us, and some with another company. So we are expecting ours to arrive after Easter. We do have a shipping notice on it, but you know, with Easter in the way, it could arrive early, it could arrive late. So we're saying that kind of mid-April. So get your orders in now. It is a pre-order though, remember that. Now we are going to invoke the fair play policy on this one. So we're going to ask you to order no more than 21 per customer. The reason we do that is a lot of people like to buy a roll plus one so they can put the roll away and they've still got one that they can show to their friends, which I think is a great idea. Now, if you need more than that 21, you know, you've got 40 grandkids, you've got, I don't know, something else, then make contact with us and we'll see if we can fit it in. But we are trying to keep everyone to no more than that 21, just on a fair play basis so we can spread the love around a bit. You can see the design up close. Ruben will probably slide it in about now if I stop talking for long enough. So it's a very pretty design, but it's very, I'm going to go with cartoonish. So it's the sleeping wombat, and it harks back a little bit for me back to the kookaburra sitting on the bird bath. It's got that bird sitting on the back, which theoretically is possible, but I don't think I've ever seen a wombat with a sleeping wombat with a bird sitting on its back. But let them have their artistic license on this one because it actually looks pretty good. All right, that's it for now. Get your pre-orders in soon. Like I said, please limit it to no more than 21 if you can. And if you want any more, contact us, 1300 84 84 10 or sales@bullionnow.com.au. And it should be for delivery and pickup mid-April. See ya.